Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 1 divided by x is equal to 27 to the power of x. Now, what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the power of 1 over x on both sides. So now we have 1 over x to the power of 1 over x is equal to 27 to the power of x to the power of 1 over x. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is simply equal to a to the power of m times n. So as you can see here, we have 27 to the power of x to the power of 1 over x. This would equal 27 to the power of x times 1 over x. When for x times 1 over x, these x's simply cancel out, and we are simply left with 1. So this would be 1 over x to the power of 1 over x is equal to 27 to the power of 1. Now 27, this is the same thing as 3 to the power of 3. So now we have 1 over x to the power of 1 over x is equal to 3 to the power of 3. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, this means that a is equal to b. So as you can see here, 1 over x is a in this case, and 3 is b, meaning 1 over x is equal to 3. Now, if I multiply both sides by x, these two cancel out, and I get 1 is equal to 3x. Now, if I divide by both sides by 3, these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to 1 over 3. So this is our answer. Now, to check, let's plug in x in this equation. So now we have 1 over 3 is equal to 27 to the power of 1 over 3. Now, 27 to the power of 1 over 3 is the same thing as the cube root of 27. And the cube root of 27 is 3. So now we have 3 is equal to, now 1 over 3 is the same thing as 3. So 3 equals 3. Because this is right, we know that our solution is right. Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this problem without a calculator. So we have 2 to the power of 18 minus 1. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. And the same thing goes vice versa. A to the power of m times n can be written as a to the power of m to the power of n. So now we have 2 to the power of 18 here, and 18 can be written as 9 times 2. So let's say this is 2 to the power of 9 times 2. We have minus 1. And remember, if we have something in the form a to the power of m times n, we could write this as a to the power of m to the power of n. So now we could write this as 2 to the power of 9 to the power of 2 minus 1. And 2 to the power of 9 to the power of 2, well, this can be written as 2 to the power of 9 times 2 to the power of 9, because it's just 2 to the power of 9 2 times. Minus 1. Now, 2 to the power of 9 is equal to 512. You guys should know that because you guys should memorize your powers of 2. So now we have 512 times 512 minus 1. Now 512 times 512, this is equal to 262,144. And now our minus 1, we simply subtract 1. So now this would be 262,143. So this is our answer.